Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm going to make a kimchi spiced chicken recipe. I love the flavor of kimchi, and I like my chicken. I looked the world over, and I found Seoul Sisters Kimchi Spice. I asked them to sponsor this video, and they did. This chicken recipe is ultra juicy with a crispy crust flavored with the flavor of Korean kimchi. Seoul Sisters ship your kimchi right to your door, sealed of course, but let me show you what's inside of it. It's sealed again, and this is what it looks like. It's powdery with some granules to it. It's made by Soon Ann and Kimberly Ann. It was their goal to bring healthy Korean cuisine to every corner of the planet. And in times of coronavirus, I am so happy to have really great ethnic food in my household that I don't have to go to a restaurant to get. I can make this at home, which is so exciting for me. The flavor is so delicious. It's got that spicy tang of kimchi, which I love. And it's a simple 2-minute prep for this recipe, which I also like. I don't want to waste any of it, so I'm starting with the stuff I poured out for demonstration purposes. And the bottle comes with a shaker, so I'm going to shake out some more. But I could have spooned it out from the other side if I wanted to. They thought of everything. I'm going to rub it around because I want it everywhere. I just love the color. Those Seoul Sisters used only natural ingredients, and they're also plant-based, and they're gluten-free, and they're non-GMO. It is low calorie and full of flavor. Oh yeah. A little bit more on the back side, and then onto the baking sheet they go. But I'm not wasting any. This is gonna be pretty spicy because I've had it, but that's the way I like it. Had a little extra sprinkle. That part needed more. You can put this on popcorn, on pizza, it's really good. And I also love it on veggies. But today, it's going to be kimchi chicken. I preset my oven to 425. In those hens go for 40 minutes. And I love it on barbecue dishes too. I sprinkle it all over. This is a pork roast. Yum. And as a rub for my steak, a little more never hurt. Yum. And grilled vegetables are the bomb. Oh, yum. The flavor has a naturally fermented tangy spice, just like the real kimchi. It's been 40 minutes. She's done. Wow, doesn't that look great? She's sizzling hot. And here we go. Isn't that an amazing coronavirus dinner with the flavors of Korean kimchi? I can't wait to try this. It looks so good. It's so pretty on that plate, but I want to cut it. I'm aiming for the joint. I got it. But you got to eat chicken with your hands. Hot. Oh, wow. That is so good. Yum. It definitely has some heat. Can you see my eyes watering a little bit? If you like spicy kimchi, you're going to love this. Oh, yum. That was a save. I don't even need a 3-second rule on my cutting board. I know that's clean. I'm just going to sit in the corner and eat it with the skim. I got a great idea. The kimchi seasoning should go on popcorn. I can watch my coronavirus movies all night long with that popcorn. Click the link below and get your Seoul Sisters Kimchi Seasoning so you can have great Korean kimchi any night of the week with anything you want to eat it on. And in this case, it's going to go on the meat because I ate all that skin. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like really easy Korean food once you got the great seasoning. I swear there's got to be cabbage in here somewhere. It's delicious. Okay, union break. The mousey in the corner likes her treat. Wow. If you like this video, I've got some other great recipes right over here. Check those out.